welcome to my tutorial about arrays. This is my 8th tutorial and we're going to cover some basic array usage. To declare an array, it's declared like a simple variable. It's similar but it's not the same. So let's declare an integer array. We're going to call it b. It will have 10 elements. Okay, let's say 5 for now. And it will automatically contain these values 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you try to print the values like this with the for loop, of course we don't want to type 5 times this. For example, if you had an array of 5,000 elements, would you type it by hand? First, second, third. That's boring, so we use for loops. So for loop is going to go from 0. Why from 0? Because in C++ array start from 0 and end with n minus 1. In our case n is 5, so minus 1 is 4. But we're going to type here the end because this operator says that I needs to be smaller than 5 but not 5. So it's 4. A loop from 0 to 4. And we're going to plus it. And let's see our values. B of I. What does this do? It simply gets the number at location that is stored in variable I. In our case it will be first 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry. Let's start the program and you'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you change this number to, for example, 99, it will be 99, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, it gets the value from this array. But in most cases, you will not have predefined values. You should enter those values. So for doing that, we can, for example, do something simple. So for example, let's ask user to enter those 5 numbers and then we're going to print them. So we're going to use this same for loop and we're just going to copy it and to type open the brackets because we are going to use more than one command. Here I used only one command, so I don't need to open this brackets. It's a good practice to open them always, but for a single command like this one, you don't need to do that. But I will open them for clarity, to be clear to you, because I didn't use the other. Let's say enter number 1. Enter number, and then I'm going to get the value of 5. And after that also, we're going to type and let's have a space here from the user for entering a value. So we're going to type the B, the name of the array, open the brackets, and type I. What does this do? It accesses the element at position I and it sets the value that we entered. So it will enter number 0. Is the first number of array. We're going to type 5. The second number is we're going to type 9. The third number is 7, 6, and 5. 5, 9, 7, 6, 5. You see, it's simple. It works. So that's something about basic usage of arrays. We're going to use them in other projects, and you're going to use them in your further project because they're essential for doing lots of stuff in C++ and in any programming language. I've showed you how to change the value by using sin, but you can also change the value to something else. For example, you can do this. You can say that be at first position, the number at first position, it's first 99, but then it's changed by something else. We can say that it needs to be 1000, and it will be 1000, and when we're going to print it, it will show 1000. So start program, type 5, 1, 2, 4, 1, and the number 5 should have been 5, but we've changed it by using this to 1000. Also we can read values from the array. I show you simple reading with console out, so displaying on the console window and by using something like this, but sometimes we need to use another variable and to store it in another variable. For example, we're going to define variable C, and it will get the fourth number or the fifth number of array. And at the end of the program, value of C is displayed. So you see that it works. Number 4, 1, 2, 5, and 99. And the value of C is 99 because we said that variable C will get the number or the value from the array at position 4. What if we try to access some element that is not in the array? For example, we want to print the 99th element. If we start it, you're going to get undefined value, so we need first to type some numbers here. You can get undefined value or you can get 0. In most cases you will get 0, but sometimes you will get undefined value, so you should not use that because you can modify program memory of some other program. Or in some cases to crash the program or crash the computer with older operating systems like Windows 98 or some Linux operating systems, it will get the segmentation fault error because you're trying to access the memory that is not defined, that is not reserved by this array. You can also define an array like this without the initial values. It will also work. You see, it works. So that's something simple about arrays. We are going to use them in further projects. So stay tuned for the next tutorial, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See ya.